guys, it's Ashley. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Now in today's video, we are going to be making a ton of new Halloween bracelets from my upcoming Halloween launch. Yay, I'm so excited. But I wanted to take you guys along with me, at least while I make the bracelets for the launch, so you guys can get a little bit of a sneak peek of what's to come. I'm actually wearing one of the pieces right now. It's a necklace that has a little wizard hat that says Wizard in Training, and I think it's so cute. I am so obsessed with it, and I know once you guys see my full collection, you will be just as obsessed too. But if you guys are ready, let's get into the video. Alright, so I got all my words already laid out right here to make it easier. So I'm just gonna get started. We're gonna start with the trick or treat and then work our way up. end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed making those bracelets with me and that you love them just as much as I did. Can't wait for them to be up on my site, but please stay tuned for more videos. And again, if you aren't subscribed, click that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!